Well guys, I've cut open another dryer just to see what was in them. And I'm going to tell you what, this gives me a whole new respect for dryers. As I was cutting, you can see the stuff that was coming out of it. Now, I didn't cut into the desk at all. But that's just loose stuff, minus the shavings of course. But that's just loose stuff that came out of the dryer. I don't know what it all is, but it's pretty bad. So, like I said, it gives me a whole new respect for a dryer. Let's pull this one out right here. Yeah, you can see all the stuff that comes out of it. Pretty wild. That's the screen. And that's a lot of stuff to be coming out of the little pad. Just imagine if that pad wasn't there, what would be inside your system. You can see the stuff just blowing right off of it. Pretty wild.